Want to survive your first day in Brazil or Portugal? These 8 essential Portuguese phrases will save you. By the end of this video, you'll greet locals, order at cafes, ask for help, and navigate conversations with confidence. No fluff, just practical phrases you can use today. Let's dive in. Phrase number 1. Olá. That's hello in Portuguese. It sounds like Olá H, with the stress on that second syllable. Listen closely. Olá. Now say it with me. Olá. This is your go-to greeting any time of day. Whether you're walking into a shop in Lisbon, meeting someone on the streets of Rio, or answering your phone, Olá works perfectly. It's friendly, casual, and universally understood across all Portuguese-speaking countries. Practice it right now. Olá. Phrase number 2. Bom dia. That's good morning in Portuguese. It sounds like bom dia. The first word rhymes with home, and the second sounds like dia. Listen. Bom dia. Your turn. Bom dia. Use this greeting from sunrise until about noon. Imagine you're walking into a bakery in Porto early morning. The smell of fresh pastries fills the air, and the baker looks up with a smile. You say, Bom dia. After midday, you'll switch to Boa tarde for good afternoon, but we'll save that for another lesson. Phrase number 3. Por favor. This means please. It sounds like por favor, with the emphasis on that last syllable. Listen. Por favor. Now you. Por favor. This phrase is your politeness superpower. When you're ordering a coffee, asking for directions, or requesting anything at all, add por favor to the end. Picture yourself at a cafe in São Paulo. You point to the menu and say, café, por favor. That simple phrase transforms you from tourist to respectful visitor. Phrase number 4. Obrigado if you're male, obrigada if you're female. Both mean thank you. They sound like obrigado and obrigada. Listen to both. Obrigado, obrigada. Now pick yours and say it. Obrigado or obrigada. This is one of the most important phrases you'll ever learn. Portuguese speakers really appreciate when you say thank you in their language. Imagine someone holds a door open for you in Coimbra, or a vendor at a Brazilian street market hands you fresh fruit. You smile and say your version, obrigado or obrigada. That simple word builds instant connection. Here's a quick cultural note that'll make you sound more authentic. Brazilian Portuguese has a musical flowing quality with open vowel sounds. European Portuguese from Portugal sounds crisper and more closed, almost like they're swallowing some syllables. Both are beautiful, both are correct. Don't stress about which accent to copy, just focus on being understood. If you're following along and practicing these phrases, comment Olá down below so I know you're with me. Phrase number 5. Desculpe. That's excuse me or sorry. It sounds like desculpe. Listen. Desculpe. Your turn. Desculpe. Use this when you need to get someone's attention politely, when you bump into someone accidentally, or when you need to squeeze past people on a crowded Lisbon tram. Imagine you're trying to navigate through a busy market in Salvador. You gently say, Desculpe, and people naturally make space for you. It's respectful and essential for daily interactions. Phrase number 6. Fala Ingles? That means, do you speak English? It sounds like fala English. Listen carefully. Fala Ingles. Now you try. Fala Ingles? This phrase is your safety net. When you've tried your Portuguese and you're stuck, or when something important needs clear communication, you ask, Fala Ingles. Most people in tourist areas will say sim, which means yes, or they'll help you find someone who does. It shows you made an effort to speak Portuguese first, which locals always appreciate. Phrase number 7. Não entendo. That's I don't understand. It sounds like now entendo. Listen. Não entendo. Say it with me. Não entendo. This honest phrase saves you from confusion. If someone's speaking too fast or using words you haven't learned yet, simply say, Não entendo. Most people will slow down, simplify, or use gestures to help you understand. It's much better than nodding along when you're lost. Pair it with Fala Ingles, and you've got a complete communication rescue kit. Phrase number 8. Onde fica. That means where is. It sounds like Onde fica. Listen. Onde fica. Now you. Onde fica. This is your navigation phrase. Point to an address on your phone and ask, Onde fica? Or say, Onde fica o banheiro? That's where is the bathroom. Onde fica a praia? Where is the beach? You can point to almost anything and ask Onde fica. And locals will help you find it. It's simple, effective, and incredibly useful. Let's do a quick recap. You just learned 8 survival phrases. Olá for hello, bom dia for good morning, por favor for please, obrigado or obrigada for thank you, desculpe for excuse me, fala inglês to ask if someone speaks English, não entendo when you don't understand, and onde fica to ask where something is. These 8 phrases are your foundation for basic Portuguese conversations. But if you're serious about achieving fluency, if you want structured lessons with interactive practice, speech recognition, and a complete learning path from beginner to advanced, I've linked in the description below a comprehensive course I personally recommend for committed learners who want real results. Full transparency. That's an affiliate link, which means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. That commission helps me keep creating free lessons like this one for the YouTube community. In the next video, we'll tackle Portuguese numbers from 1 to 20 and how to order food like a local. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Até logo!